Everyone is keep telling you cannot time the market. They say buying the bottom and selling the top is impossible. Well, that's because they don't know how the market really works. I built and tested a model that doesn't chase moves. It predicts reversals before most traders even realize what is happening. No indicators, no blind guessing, just raw price logic used by smart money every single day. In this video, I will show you exactly how I find turning points with scary precision, and I will prove it to you live on the chart. If you want the truth about trading, not the cheap YouTube fantasies, hit that subscribe button, because this channel is about to change the way you trade forever. So let's say you are trading or you are backtesting, you see price chart like this one, it keeps going down for months, and you are not sure if it's the right time to buy this, because price has been on a downtrend for many months, and you have a slight feeling that we might have reversal from this point, because in retail mindset, here looks like a support, and you have seen slight rejection from this low to the upside, but you don't know if price will have reversal from here or keep going lower. Let's clean the chart. So for such occasion, I have developed great confirmation method that will help me see where is actual low. For this, I have Fibonacci retracement tool. I start with defining specific high on the chart, which is here, and I direct my Fibonacci retracement tool up until here. So this is my hypothetical range. Why did I define low of my range as here? Nothing is shown here. Price haven't reached here yet, because this is my reason. As an input, I only have where is previous high and where could be the 0.5 level logically. As you can see, price here got rejected, came down and retested this 0.5 level. So that I might assume if this is our 0.5 level, the low is here. And if price ever comes down to this low, I might expect reversal. Before I replay my chart, I want to show you my Fibonacci retracement settings. This is my Fibonacci retracement settings. I only use 0, 0.5 and 1. This is just a tool that helps me measure the range. I don't use Fibonacci numbers and fancy colors right here. So you can also adjust your levels based on my settings here. Let's close it. I will remove this range to show you again. So I define the specific high, I direct my Fibonacci retracement where 0.5 level makes sense, which is somewhere here. As you can see, price is retesting 0.5 level over and over again. That's why I might think if price ever comes down to this level, this might be the low and we might see some reversal. So let's replay our chart. Some people might even think that we will go up from here because we have double bottom forming here, and the price target might be at least neck of this double bottom. But this is exactly how they manipulate retail traders. Our hypothetical 0.5 level doesn't tell us that this is the ultimate low. This might be the reversal. So the low of the range worked perfectly. Got first reaction from here. And that's the magic. So with this method, you can be sure that here wasn't the low. And where could be the next target? Right here. So price bounced 30% from our hypothetical low. So in smaller time frame, you ever have bullish bias here, you can comfortably set this low and enter long from here. And now I will show you how you can define the target. This is the lower portion of our main range. I will direct one more Fibonacci from high to low of our lower portion of this range. You can also see how price respects these 0.5 levels and how it loses momentum when it loses 0.5 level. And another 0.5 level for the lower portion of our second range. And that's it. If you take trade here, this is your first target. If price gets back to this 0.5 level, this is the second target. Let's see another chart. So this is our second example. When I start analyzing this chart, I have no idea if it's our bottom and price will have reversal from here or continue to go down. Let's play the chart a little bit. So price had some reaction. Some people might think that we will have reversal from here and set the target somewhere here or there, but I'm still not sure. I need to watch price a little more. And price shows some weakness. Now I am questioning where can be our reversal point. I direct my Fibonacci retracement from high. I set 0.5 level somewhere logical around here. So before price makes its actual low, you can set the 0.5 level somewhere on the week or somewhere where there are body of the candles. So it doesn't matter if you set somewhere here or here. The main point is price got rejected somewhere here. So this area is important for me. Now I can expect that if price comes down to these levels, there might be reversal. Let's clean our chart. and replay. And price hits our hypothetical low perfectly. Let's also measure the lower portion of this range and this range, so that you can clearly see how price is respecting all the 0.5 level when moving. And that's it. So do you see the week of these candles, how after making reversal in this low, it retests all the 0.5 level and push towards other 0.5 level. Let's go down to weekly chart, and this is how it looks. So go ahead and study this method, apply to your charts, backtest it, and I'm pretty sure this will give you great clarity and confirmation in your trading. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel because there are much more coming.